It's a good question. Hello, Ozzy. Ozzy said, no, you guys don't recommend Google Phone Line for new members. So what are members using? Well, here's what I want. I want you to have a phone number that you can own for the rest of your life because people are going to get these offer letters and they may not want to sell right now. They're still doing okay, but they're going to file them away, Ozzy, and they're going to call you 6 months from now, maybe 3 years from now. I've got calls 10 years from now. And I want you to have that same phone number to find you. So I I want you to use a phone service where you own the phone number. That's my only requirement. So, all right. Chelsea said, "What's your best piece of advice to a newbie?" Ooh, okay. My best piece of advice, and comes from a lot of talking to a lot of new members and a lot of consulting calls. And it is don't let yourself get in your own way. It's sometimes some of the things that we share and talk about in Land Academy seem counterintuitive. You're like, how can this possibly work? But trust me and trust all of us. Now you can see we've been Land Academy's been around now for 5 years, going on 6 years. So we have not only do we have a good track record, you can see with the hundreds of members, like, all right, there's obviously something here. So you just got to not get in your own way and follow our steps, and we'll get you there. And one new thing too, I want you to really consider about if you have a problem that you know that you are not good at taking action, you need a little extra help, that's coming for you, Chelsea. Actually, it's being worked on right now by Steven. He's creating, and I'm not sure what parts I will be helping with yet, but he's creating a whole accountability separate program for those who want it. It's going to be optional. They just, you really want some extra tension and getting you through and getting you going. It's coming. So, really good question.